Today in this video gonna to show you how to make 3 by 5 note cards with MS Word. So guys, if you want to make 3 by 5 note cards with MS Word, so very easy. Firstly, open MS Word. After click on page layout and click here size. Click on more paper size, that is. After height, type here 3 and here type 5. After click on OK, that is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to make 3 by 5 note cards with MS Word. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.